You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words correctly in English. Those are homophones. The top word is a color. The bottom word is the past tense of the verb to blow. So how do you pronounce them? This is the phonetic spelling of the pronunciation. Blue, you essentially have a long oo sound, double O. Blue, how to pronounce the color blue, that's your top word, spelling B-L-U-E, blue, or bottom word, blue, as in I blew a balloon for my daughter's birthday. Blue is the pronunciation in English. American English and British English are similar. Blue. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.